For the last couple of years, Google Adsense has taken control of forums, discussions and newsletters all over the internet. Already, there are tales of fabulous money to be made and millions made by those who are working from home. It seems that Google Adsense earnings have already dominated the internet marketing business and now seems to be the easiest way to making money online. The key to success with Google Adsense earnings is the placing of ads on pages that are receiving high traffic for high-demand keywords. The higher the cost per click to the advertiser, the more you will receive per click from your website. Obviously, it does not pay to target low cost per click keywords and place them on pages that do not receive hits. With all the people getting online and clicking away every day, it is no wonder why Google Adsense earnings has become an instant hit. For some who are just new to this, it would be a blow to their pride knowing that their homepage is buried somewhere in the little ads promoting other people's services. But then, when they get the idea that they are actually earning more money that way, all doubts are laid to rest. There are two major, and clever, factors that some successful webmaster and publishers are learning to blend together in order to make money easier using AdSense. 1. Placing AdSense links on pages that are producing little, or better yet, no profit. By placing AdSense on a free resources page, you will reduce the amount of potential customers being lost to other sites. Tricky, but effective nonetheless. 2. Targeting high-traffic pages on your website. If you check on your logs, you will discover that many of your visitors are taking advantage of the free affiliate marketing resources and ebooks that you are offering on your site. In simple words, your ads are working effectively and are generating more clicks. It also means more money for you. When learned to work effectively, these two factors are actually a good source of producing a minimal amount of revenue from a high-traffic page. Many people are using this strategy to pick up some extra in cash with AdSense earnings. This is also especially rewarding to informational sites that focus their efforts on delivering powerful affiliate link-free content to their visitors. Now they can gain a monetary return on their services. The possibility of adding as second tier in AdSense earnings is not impossible. With all the people spending more time in their AdSense now and still more getting into this line of marketing, there is no doubt about the many new improvements yet to be made. Imagine the smiles on the faces of the webmasters and publishers all around the world if ever they sign up for sub-affiliates and double or even triple the amount that they are already earning. The one particularly handy money-making feature that is available with AdSense now is the ability to filter out up to 200 URLs. These gives webmasters the option to block out low-value offers from their pages as well as competitors to their websites. Talk about taking only those that are advantageous and discarding the ones that seem useless. With the many techniques that people are now learning on how to make the easiest money by their AdSense, it is not surprising that Google is trying everything to update and polish their AdSense in order to maintain their good image. With Google AdSense earnings, the possibilities are limitless. Yet there is also the possibility of someone taking advantage of the easy money process that this internet marketing is doing. If you think more about it, these negative factors may force Google to break down and thrash AdSense in the process. If that happens, people would have to go back to the old ways of internet marketing that does not make money online as easy as AdSense earnings. For now, however, Google AdSense earnings is here to stay. As long as there are people wanting to earn some easy cash online just using their talents, the future ahead is looking good. Besides, with all the strict guidelines that Google is enforcing over AdSense earnings, it will take a while for the AdSense privileges to be spammed and even terminated.